In this question, the ratio of magnitude of magnetic field at a 2D distance from a short bar magnet in longitudinal direction. Okay, so distance is the magnetic field is asked at a 2D distance in a longitudinal direction and at a distance d in a transverse direction. So the magnetic field ratio is asked in two directions. One is my longitudinal direction, another is my transverse direction. And one thing also we have to take in mind that the distances are not the same, these are different distances. Okay, so let's suppose I am taking that this is my short bar magnet, and for this short bar magnet, this magnetic field, let's suppose it is having a distance r. So this magnetic field which is transverse to the short bar magnet is given as mu naught by 4 pi capital M upon r cube. This is for transverse magnetic field. Now if I talk about longitudinal magnetic field, okay, so now here let's suppose this is distance r. So the longitudinal magnetic field is given as mu naught by 4 pi and 2m by r cube. So these are the things that you have to get in mind, that these are my important formulas for short bar magnet, the magnetic field in the longitudinal direction as well as in the transverse direction. Now let's calculate according to the question. According to the question, the Bt value will be equals to mu naught by 4 pi m divided by the distance in the transverse direction is simply d. So I am writing d cube. Now if I talk about the longitudinal direction, the value is mu naught by 4 pi twice of m divided by, now in this case, in the longitudinal case, the distance is 2d. So I'll basically write 2d whole cube. Now this thing will be equals to mu naught capital M 2 divided by 4 pi capital D cube, and the cube of 2 will be equals to 8. So this will be 4 times of this. So I left with mu naught capital M divided by 4 pi D cube times 1 over 4. Now if I take the ratio of these things, so I'm basically left with the ratio of longitudinal by tangential or transverse. The value will be equals to mu naught m by 4 pi d cube times 1 by 4 divided by the same thing mu naught capital M by 4 pi d cube. The remaining term will get cancelled out and I am left with 1 by 4. So this is my ratio. If I check my answer, that yes, option D is having a ratio of 1 by 4. So that is the correct answer.